costumes or anything you wanted like specifically for this year? Oh, that was nice.
Alrighty, Hump fans. Well, since it was so dang hot, we waited until just about sundown to even start working. Don't want any issues with those 100-degree heats, you know what I'm saying? So, got everything trimmed off of the outside of the bridge, and got some of the supports for the railing put up. We were testing out the squishiness of it again, had a lot of helpers. Amazing work, but as you can see, well, not with this camera because it's awesome, but it's actually pitch black outside, which is amazing, and it's finally cooled down. But we have tons of them drilled already. We just need to glue the foam pieces on there and attach those with rope, and then we will have our pieces ready to be walking on for the squishy bridge. Rickety bridge, rickety bridge. Yeah, for that thing, we already cut it all the way up. I'm not even sure if I showed out what it was. It's basically just a knee pad, big old fat knee pad from Home Depot, but they were on sale, so that's why I got it. And if it didn't work out, well, then I had a brand new knee pad because my other one's old, but I couldn't use my old one because that one sucks. So we cut strips off, then we cut those strips in half, and then we cut those half pieces in half again. Can't wait for you to see what's coming your way. See you soon, ghouls.